When you need to update a design, whether it's a template your team shared or an image you want to clean up, Adobe Express gives you quick, precise editing tools that keep everything on brand. From the homepage, open an Express template, a design your team shared, or an image you want to edit. If your organization uses brand-approved templates, you'll find them right on the homepage under Templates for You. Select your image and open the Quick Actions panel. Remove background for a clean, cutout look. Crop and resize to reframe the image. Auto Enhance to sharpen low-quality photos. Adjust brightness, contrast, or saturation. These tools help you refine visuals quickly, even if the original image wasn't perfect. If you're editing a shared or locked template, click an image frame and choose Replace to drop in your own photo. Express keeps the layout intact. No stretching, no broken proportions, especially when your designer uses Lock and Allow Replace. You can upload your own images or browse Adobe Stock's royalty-free collection. Update headlines. Swap icons. Or adjust shapes. Choose from your brand kit colors. If something doesn't move, that's intentional. Locked elements help your team stay consistent across every design. Use comments to leave notes or ask for feedback. Express keeps versions organized so you can return to earlier drafts if needed. Download your updated design, save as a new template, or share it directly with your team. Whether you're updating a flyer, social post, or presentation slide, Express makes it easy to edit what you need while keeping everything on brand.